Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying the files. Xavc S is usually MP4 with H, 264 at high bitrate, so check resolution and level. Once done, install Handbrake or FFmpeg on your computer and make sure VLC or Files is on the iPhone. These let you rewrap or transcode. Connect the phone with USB or set up a shared folder on your network. This gets you straight into file transfer instead of troubleshooting compatibility later. Don't skip the codec check. Now you decide rewrap versus transcode. If FFmpeg reports compatible codec and level, rewrap with Ccopy to preserve quality and save time. If not, transcode, choose H. 264, set profile to high or main and cap level at 4. 2 so the iPhone decodes reliably. Use Handbrake's iPhone presets and VBR to balance size and quality. Once encoded, verify a short clip on the phone before transferring the whole batch to avoid wasted time. Finish by moving the prepared files to your iPhone using Finder or iTunes for wired transfer, or SMB, AirDrop, or VLC Wi-Fi transfer for wireless. After copying, open the file in Files or VLC and play several sections to confirm smooth video and audio sync. If you hit playback errors, re-encode with a lower bitrate or switch to main or baseline profile. That fix resolves most compatibility issues. Always keep originals until you've verified every clip, then archive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.